Hello! You must be Mark. I am Anna. Welcome to Creative Solutions.
Hello, Anna. Yes, I am Mark. It is so nice to finally meet you in person. Thank you for having me.
It is our pleasure. We are all very excited to have you join the team. On behalf of everyone, welcome aboard. I am the marketing manager, so I will be your direct supervisor.
Thank you so much. I am very excited to be here and to start my new role as a junior marketing assistant. I have to admit, I am also a little bit nervous. First days are always a bit overwhelming.
That is completely normal. Everyone feels that way on their first day. My main job today is to make you feel comfortable, show you around, and answer any questions you have. There is no pressure to know everything at once.
I really appreciate that. Thank you.
Of course, the first week is all about learning and getting settled in. So, to begin, why don't I give you a quick tour of the office? That way you can get a feel for the place and see where everything is.
That sounds like a perfect way to start. Thank you.
Great. Let's start with the most important place, your new desk. This is the main open plan area where the marketing team works. We like this open space because it makes it easy to collaborate and share ideas.
It is a beautiful office. It is so bright and modern. I really like the open plan design. So, where will I be sitting?
We have a permanent desk ready for you right over here by the window. We thought you would appreciate the natural light.
By the window. That is fantastic. Thank you so much. This is a wonderful spot.
I'm glad you like it. As you can see, you have a comfortable chair, a large monitor, a keyboard, and a mouse all ready for you. We also have a welcome pack for you on the desk.
A welcome pack. That is a very nice touch. It has a new notebook, some pens, and a company coffee mug.
It is just a small gesture to welcome you to the team. You also have these lockable drawers here under the desk. You can store your personal belongings, like your bag and your jacket, in here during the day.
That is very useful. It is great to have a secure place for my things. This is a perfect workspace.
Now that you have seen your desk, let me show you the other important facilities around the office. If you will just follow me.
Of course. Lead the way.
Right over here is our kitchen and break room. This is where everyone comes to have their lunch or just to take a short break during the day.
It is a really nice space. Very cozy.
We want it to be a relaxing area. Please feel free to use everything here. We have a refrigerator where you can store your lunch. Just make sure to label it with your name. We also have a microwave for heating up food.
That is great. I usually bring my own lunch, so a fridge and a microwave are perfect. What about coffee? Good coffee is very important for my productivity.
I completely agree. We have this big professional coffee machine here. It makes everything: espresso, cappuccino, latte. It uses fresh beans and it is completely free for all employees. I can show you how to use it later. We also have a selection of teas and a kettle.
Free, high-quality coffee. This company just gets better and better.
We try. Now, just down this hallway, you will find the restrooms, and over here is the stationery cupboard. If you ever need more notebooks, pens, or any other office supplies, you can find them in here. And finally, RIS is our main printer and photocopier. The office tour is almost complete. But now for the most important part, meeting some of your new colleagues. Our team is like a small family, and everyone is very keen to meet you.
I am very keen to meet them too. I am a little bit bad with names, so I will try my best to remember everyone.
Do not worry. Nobody expects you to remember all the names on your first day. It takes time. Let's start with the two people who sit closest to your desk.
Okay, I am ready.
Hi, everyone. Can I please have your attention for just a moment? I would like to introduce you all to our newest team member, Mark. Mark, this is Sarah, and this is David.
Hello, Sarah. Hello, David. It is a pleasure to meet you both.
Sarah is our graphic designer, so you will be working with her on many projects. And David is our social media coordinator. He is the expert on all things Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok.
It is great to meet you. I am really looking forward to working with you both. I am sure I will have many questions for you, David, about our social media strategy. Welcome to the team, Mark. We are very happy to have you. And please, ask as many questions as you want. We are here to help. Yes, welcome, Mark. It is great to have another creative person on the team. Thank you both. I already feel very welcome.
Now that you have met a few people, let's head back to your desk. The next step is to get you set up with all your technical equipment and accounts.
Great. I saw there is a computer on the desk, but it is not turned on yet.
That is right. I have arranged for someone from our IT department to come and see you in about half an hour. His name is Ben. IT stands for Information Technology. They are the experts who handle all of our computers, software, and network issues.
Okay, so Ben will help me get started?
Yes, he will give you your new laptop and help you log in for the first time. He will also give you your new company email address and help you set up your password.
That is good. I was wondering what my email address would be.
He will also help you get connected to our internal communication system. We do not use email for most internal conversations. We use a chat program called Slack.
I have used Slack before. It is a great tool for quick questions and team collaboration.
It is. We have different channels for different projects and topics. Ben will add you to all the important marketing team channels. He will also make sure you have all the necessary software installed on your laptop, like Microsoft Office and the Adobe Creative Suite.
This is all very well organized. It sounds like the IT setup process is very smooth.
We try to make it as easy as possible. While we wait for Ben from IT to arrive, let's talk about the daily routine and the working hours here.
That will be very useful. What are the official office hours? My contract says I will work 40 hours per week.
That is correct. Our core working hours are from 9 o'clock in the morning until 5 o'clock in the evening, so 9 a.m. to 5 p.m.
Okay, that is very standard. And what about the lunch break?
The lunch break is 1 hour. Most people on our team usually take their lunch break around noon or 1 o'clock. You are free to choose when you take it.
And can I eat at my desk, or should I go to the break room?
We strongly encourage everyone to take a proper break away from their desk. It is important to rest your eyes and your mind. That is why we have the lovely kitchen and break room. Most of us eat our lunch together in there. It is a nice, informal way to get to know your colleagues.
That sounds really nice. I will definitely join you in the break room. What about other breaks? Can I get a coffee whenever I want?
Of course, you are free to get a coffee or a tea whenever you need a short break. In fact, the marketing team has a little tradition. We all try to take a short 10-minute coffee break together every morning around 10:30. It is a chance to catch up and talk about something other than work for a few minutes.
A team coffee break. I love that idea. It sounds like a very friendly and social work environment.
It is. We work very hard, but we also believe it is important to have a positive and supportive atmosphere. Now, I would like to quickly outline the plan for your first week with us.
Okay, great. I was a little worried that I would be expected to start working on big projects on my first day.
Absolutely not. The first week is what we call the onboarding or induction period. The main goal of this week is for you to learn. You will not be given any major stressful tasks.
That is a big relief. So, what will I be doing?
This morning, after we get your computer set up, I will give you some documents to read. These will include our company's history, our main marketing strategies, and some information about our key clients.
Okay, so a lot of reading and learning to start.
Yes. Then, this afternoon, I have scheduled a 1-hour meeting for you with the head of the sales department. And tomorrow morning, you will have a meeting with the head of product development.
Why am I meeting with people from other departments?
It is very important for you to understand how all the different parts of our company work together. The marketing team collaborates very closely with both sales and product development. These meetings are just informal introductions to help you understand their roles and how we can support them.
That makes a lot of sense. It sounds like a very thorough introduction to the company.
We believe it is the best way to set you up for success. The rest of the week will be a mix of some small introductory tasks, some online training modules, and just generally getting to know the team and how we work. Ah, I can see Ben from the IT department coming over now. While he is getting you set up with your new laptop, I can give you your first small task to work on.
My first task. Okay, I am ready. I am excited to do something productive.
It is a very simple and useful task for a new marketing assistant. I would like you to spend about an hour this morning just familiarizing yourself with our company's online presence.
Our online presence. You mean our website and social media?
Exactly. I want you to read through our company website from the perspective of a new customer. Look at the products we sell and how we describe them. I also want you to look at all of our social media channels.
Which channels are we active on?
We have a company page on Facebook, an account on Instagram, and also a professional page on LinkedIn. I want you to look at the kind of content we post, the style of our communication, and how we interact with our followers.
That is a perfect first task. It will give me a much better understanding of our brand voice and our current marketing activities. Where can I find the links to all these pages?
I will send you an email with all the links as soon as your new email account is active. This task is not a test. There are no right or wrong answers. I just want you to explore and get a feel for how we present ourselves to the world.
That sounds like a really interesting and useful way to start. I have one more general question, if that is okay. It is a little bit of a silly question.
There are no silly questions on your first day. Please ask me anything at all.
I was just wondering about the company culture. For example, what is the dress code? I wore a shirt and smart trousers today because I wanted to make a good first impression, but I see that most people are dressed more casually.
That is a very good and not at all silly question. Our official dress code is business casual. But as you can see, it is a very relaxed version of business casual. Most people wear smart jeans or chinos with a nice shirt, a polo shirt, or a sweater. What you are wearing is perfect.
So I do not need to wear a tie?
No, definitely not. The only time we dress more formally is if we are meeting with a very important client. But for a normal day in the office, your style should be comfortable but professional. Smart jeans and a nice shirt or sweater are a great choice.
That is good to know. And my other question is about how I should address people. For example, how should I address the CEO of the company if I see him? Should I say Mr. Schmidt?
Another excellent question. Our company has a very flat hierarchy and an informal culture. We call everyone by their first name, from the interns all the way up to the CEO. So if you meet our CEO, you can just call him Hans. It is part of our friendly and open work environment.
First names for everyone. I really like that. It makes the company feel much less formal and more like a team. Thank you for clarifying that. I feel much more comfortable now.
I am so glad. It is all these little unwritten rules that can be the most confusing in a new job. My goal is to help you understand them so you can feel like part of the team as quickly as possible.
You are doing a great job. I already feel so much more relaxed than I did when I first walked in this morning.
Wonderful. Well, I can see that Ben has finished setting up your laptop. It is now almost noon, which is perfect timing.
Why is it perfect timing?
Because it is almost time for lunch, and you absolutely cannot eat lunch alone at your desk on your first day. That is the #1 rule.
Okay, I will be sure to remember that rule.
I would like to formally invite you to join me and the rest of the marketing team for lunch today. It is our treat to welcome you to the company. We are going to go to a nice little Italian restaurant just around the corner.
Wow, a welcome lunch with the whole team? I would absolutely love that. Thank you so much. That is an incredibly kind offer.
It is our pleasure. It will be a great chance for you to get to know everyone in a more informal setting. We will plan to leave in about 15 minutes. This will give you some time to log in to your new computer and have a quick look at your welcome email.
That sounds like a perfect plan. This has been the best first morning at a new job that I have ever had. Thank you, Anna.